This student ran into his math class so late that everyone had already left, so he quickly copied down two math problems he saw on the board, thinking they were the weekly homework. But he had no idea they were actually the two most famous unsolved math problems in the history of statistics. The day before the homework was due, George quickly started working on the problems, but quickly realized they were way harder than usual. But none of the other students seemed to be having any trouble with it, so he thought he just wasn't as smart as them. But he didn't give up, instead spending all night scribbling equations and filling pages with calculations. Finally, in the morning, he handed in the homework late, thinking he wouldn't get a good mark. But a few weeks later, George was nervous when he got called to the professor's office for what he thought would be a scolding for handing in the homework late. But instead of being angry, the professor was completely shocked, telling George that what he handed in wasn't the homework at all, because George had instead accidentally but correctly solved the two hardest stats problems in history that no other mathematician could solve.